Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to schedule your videos in YouTube on your PC. If you've been wondering how to plan your uploads in advance, this tutorial is for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Create. Step 3. From the creation options, select Upload Video. This will allow you to upload a video from your PC to your YouTube channel. Step 4. After uploading your video, you'll be prompted to set the visibility options. Click on Schedule to schedule your video for a later date. Step 5. Choose the desired date and time for your video to be published. Once you've set the schedule, click on Schedule to confirm your selection. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily schedule your videos in YouTube on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.